Good morning, eighth grade. Last day before spring break. So I hope you can get all your stuff done today so then you can just kind of put away the school iPad, put away everything school related, maybe read a book next week, but enjoy kind of the low-key week of being at home and not having the school things to do. Hopefully you can get outside today. Weather looks pretty nice, so go play some basketball or soccer or play outside with your siblings and things. So, just a couple of reminders for English. Make sure that you get in your 2 grammar worksheets for me. Early this afternoon, I'm going to go through Teacheries and kind of mark things off. So if you get an email from me, it's just a reminder that you need to get it in. I'd like by 3 o'clock, but if that can't happen, just send me an email and let me know that you'll get it in as soon as possible. That's about it. I hope you guys have a good day and a good break. We'll see you later. Bye.